let the pizza not fall. So today I am making a meat lover pizza. If you are a meat lover pizza, then definitely this video is for you. So that is a pizza tomato sauce that I'm putting all over my pizza. So I am making a jumbo pizza, and then I'm going to go with the pepperoni on the pizza. I'll put my pepperoni all over the pizza. So I will let you all enjoy this video, and trust me, you'll want to watch this video until at the end and see the results on how this meat lover pizza will look like at the end. And I'm also having a surprise something for you all if you watch until at the end of the video. So I'm just putting my pepperoni everywhere, making sure that I'm not stingy with my pepperoni, making sure all the pizza is covered with the pepperoni. So this is the largest pizza and the biggest pizza we sell. This pizza sells a lot, especially when clients come and have a drink. They are drunk and they'll just love something meatish. It goes well with a bit of beer. So now I'm just putting my mozzarella cheese all over my pizza, making sure the whole pizza is covered into the mozzarella cheese like that. Very well, split it all over the pizza, and then I am going to go in with my ham all over. I put everywhere my ham, making sure it's covered. Then I'm going to go in with bacon on my pizza. Then I'm going to go in with Italian sausage, the last topping on my pizza. So these are all my toppings on the pizza that I have done. Now I'm going to put this in the pizza oven for 5 minutes, and you'll see the magic and the wonder how this pizza is looking. So if you have a moment, subscribe, like, leave a comment, share this video with your loved one. And if you are interested in working in a restaurant in the future, these are the 3 steps you need to follow to making a pizza. And if you are a customer, you love to eat pizzas, these are the 3 steps on how your pizza is being made behind. Look how beautiful that meat lover is looking, and this pizza can serve up to 12 people or 15 people. The slices are extremely big, and this pizza can make you so full. Definitely it's a must try. Go and try out a meat lover pizza. Look how yummy this pizza look, and it's so delicious. So as I promised, I'm going to show you something at the end of the video. So I'll show you all a bit of joy happening in the kitchen, and I'm going to make sure the pizza does not fall. So thank you all for watching. See you in the next video, and remember to share love and care wherever you find yourself. If you have subscribed already, thank you very much for subscribing. If you have not subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button. Love you all. Ciao ciao. And this pizza, it's a vegetarian pizza. I also made a video below about how to make your vegetarian pizza mixed with a bit of meat. So it's half half. If you're a vegetarian and you also like meat, then this pizza is also definitely for you. Ciao, see you next time.